Colors are beautiful and informative. They provide a lot of information at a glance just by looking at them. You may be able to convey a lot of information just using color. But imagine someone is seeing at your analysis like this. The whole world is black and white for them. Yes, I'm talking about color blindness. So, what we can do to make our analysis more inclusive to color blindness? The small arrangements like showing information on tooltips by providing textual information and using shapes like this to distinguish the objects by their shape rather than using colors may be very helpful. That's my 1 minute for data analysis. See you in next video.